Welcome in our home! This is Leon, and we're living the van life with the cutest cat in the world, Mio. We transformed our campervan Peggy into our dream house, and we love this lifestyle. Join our channel and follow our path as we discover Europe. How are y'all doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. We are Leon and Miek, also known as VanTastic Traveling. We have been living on the road for exactly a year now, full-time, traveling and working. This is our home and office on wheels, and she is a Class B 2008 Fiat Ducato maxi base camper van from Adria. Oh, and she's 7 meters long. When we bought this beauty, she already came with a sticker of Pegasus, but obviously she is a she, and that's why we call her Peggy. Today we'd love to show you our home, so come on in. In our home. This is our living room. We got not one but two very comfy couches, and the best feature are the two pilot seats right here. They're very nice while driving, but they're also very comfy when you're at home. We can also turn it into a guest bedroom. If you want to stay over, just leave a comment below and just tell us where to pick you up. We got room for 2 more people. So not only is this the place where we sit down and relax and watch a movie and stuff, but it's also our office and a place for me to sleep. So we got a lot of plants in our van, and yeah, they are all real. We love having living things, and they also provide us with a little bit more oxygen in our van. Let me show you the kitchen. This is really my space, and when we sold the house, I had to sacrifice a huge kitchen with a huge oven, and I love cooking, so the kitchen was quite important for me, and that's one of the main reasons why we have this big 3 burners hob, which I don't use. That's the reality. When you're living on the road, it's easy to cook, easy, fast, and it saves dishes if you're only using 1 pan. So we could have done it with 2. One thing I couldn't go without is the oven. There it is. Every Friday, pizza day, I couldn't go without. So I'm really happy that we have the oven. So this big thing over here is our fridge, and we can only run it when we are at a campsite. Because it goes through a lot of electricity, we do not have the power to run it on our battery. So most of the time, this is just storage. Totally useless. To top it off, we have a sink and we have running water, and Leon will tell you more about that.
Thanks, Miek, for letting me play a part in this video as well. My name is Leon, for those of you who don't know me, and this is our water tank. Right underneath the couch. It's 100 liters, which is so many gallons for you Americans. And with this water tank we can last about 2 weeks, and with that we can do our daily dish, and if we feel really posh, then we can both have about 2 2-minute showers, which
brings us to the bathroom. There we are. So very, very convenient. We have a toilet in the van. It's only for number ones, but trust me, it can be a lifesaver. So we do have a shower, and we only use it a handful of times, but it can be very, very nice if you are off grid and you are in desperate need of a shower. But usually it looks like this. It's a shoe closet. If you could follow me, please, I'll show you the bedroom now. Come on. Come on. So, welcome in our bedroom. It is tiny, but it is cozy. When we are tired, we can just brush our teeth and climb into bed. Our bed is 130 in width meters and 2 meters wide long because Leon is a tall guy and he needs to lie comfortable in his bed. We got some pictures hanging here and it's such a cozy cocoon and we can't wait to go to bed. It's probably the best part of the whole camper van and the best bedroom we've ever had.
Now I hear your question, what about storage? We got plenty of storage here in Peggy. We got a cabinet where we can hang stuff, which is really convenient for all the winter gear and coats that we have. This is my cabinet. All my clothes are in there. And then we got 2 cabinets for kitchen supplies, which is plenty. We got a secret whiskey stash over there. And then we've got the area with Miek clothes. So all of these cabinets are full of Miek clothes, which is more than enough clothes, I mean. So this is our solar panel, which is connected to 2 100 amp leisure batteries, which are connected to our teeny tiny converter, which is only 150 watts. But we found out that that's all we need. We can charge our laptops, we can charge our phones, we can charge the camera, the gear, everything that we have, and still use our lights as well. So it's enough for us. So last but not least, regarding the setup. This is our gas setup. We have 2 9.5 kilogram of propane bottles. Usually we have one which will last us for at least 3 months, but because we are going on a big trip next week, we bought a second one. It is a closed system, which means that if there is a leak somewhere, it will run out of the camper van and not into the camper van, which is very convenient. We use this for cooking and our heater, our gas heater, which we only use if it's really cold. But normally we have our electrical heater if we are at a campsite.
So you probably noticed that we are traveling with a cat, and not any cat, the cutest cat in the world, Mio. And I'm gonna walk you through all the things he needs. In this cabinet we keep all his food and toys and other supplies. And down here you can see his bowl of food, and of course we had to bring a scratching pole. So there are several places in the van where Mio likes to sleep or relax, this being one of them, but he also likes laying on the dashboard or the couch. So if you have the time, please subscribe and hit the like button. So if you could follow me to the back of the van, please, I can show you the rest. This is another place where we keep food for Mio. It's a different kind of food and he has to work for it a little bit more than the food he has in the front. And over here we have his water bowl, and this secret door over here is a passageway to the garage. And he can open the door himself.
This is the garage, which is very convenient because you got so much space in here for our bikes. We don't have to carry them on the back of the camper van. We can keep them inside so they don't get stolen. And we got Mio his litter box as well, which is very convenient because we don't have the smell in the camper van. And some other stuff that we hardly ever use.
Honey, I got coffee. Are you going in?
So this is our van. What do you think of our setup and how we live and travel? Really love to know. So if you have any questions about van life or whatsoever, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And for now, I think we are ready for new adventures.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Be awesome, stay fantastic.